Hi folks, and thank you for spending some time today so I can go over this 263 RL Coachmen Catalina. It's a 2019 product we have here at Guarantee. It's a great floor plan, been around for a long time. It's one of the shortest in the rear lounge that has that big super slide out. We will go ahead and go in through the master bedroom right now based on where it's parked and everything, and we'll show you how spacious that interior is, and we'll start there. So we've got a super slide out in this main area, and again, it's only a 26 foot, so it's relatively small as rear lounges go, and it makes it a very, very open floor plan. You've got your couch over here, which I believe is a tri-folding, so that'll come out into the room here, make it a nice area to sleep some additional, even two adults. And then you've got the booth that always makes into a bed as well. You've got some storage above the couch there. You've got your main door, shows you a sturdy step, which is a new step they have going on nowadays, which give you a really firm, rigid entry into your trailer. You've got storage that's overhead here, your window and your main window on both sides here, your window in through that door letting more light in, as well as over there in the backsplash of the kitchen here. I like, again, the new faucets, make it really nice and solid, well made. I like the way that Coachman's done that. You also have these little carry-ons here for cutting boards, makes it really nice, and you got that split sink there. Counters are really nice. This year is a new interior color instead of that more of a brown cocoa color. It's more of a grayish color here and a taupe, so it makes it nice, a little bit lighter inside, more reflective from the light coming in. You also have tall ceilings in the Coachmen Catalina, which is real nice as well, and nice counter heights here for those tall folks as well. You also have a refrigerator that's right in this area. Everything's easy to get to. It's all very open. You can communicate with everybody. You have a little storage down below the booth here, and you got that big window to look out when you're sitting at the booth, and the booth will sit four comfortable adults at it. You can see there's quite a bit of space here on this big booth. Linoleum throughout the whole main living areas, going right through your split walk-through bathroom. You also have the TV here that you can see from pretty much everywhere in the coach, as well as an entertainment center there with Bluetooth they have as well on that Furrion system. Your bathroom, again, split walk-through. You've got a nice shower here. Show your medicine cabinet, a little bit of storage down below that sink, and you're also going to have some additional linen storage over here behind the toilet, which is nice spacious bathroom. When you go into the master suite here, you've got the closets on both sides. Be just like that, storage down below, and it is separated from that front area we'll show you here on the way out. But basically it's a very open layout. It's a very compact and roomy rear lounge without having to go super long out there for those of you that want to travel shorter. You've got that nice area. This, again, that pass-through storage we talked about, with this blocked off from the storage you might want to put underneath the bed, your bedding and pillows and everything, keep them clean. Again, the storage, the larger tanks, this comes with a Legacy Edition, so it does have larger tanks on there and some other touches on the inside that are a little bit upgraded too. Your power tongue jack, that's lighted as well there. Heavy duty scissor jacks at all four corners. It's got a black tank flush and an outside shower here. Black tank holds that here for your shower, so you can kind of, those tall guys, get out and wash yourself if you want to, wash some kids if you need to. Easy to get to on the dump valves. Has a heavy duty heavy duty rack and pinion system for your slide mechanism as well too, which is really reliable and very heavy duty. I like that part of it too. So as we go back towards the back end here, your power supply, heavy duty bumper here, tinted glass. It is pre-wired for a backup camera, so you can go ahead and invest in that if you wanted to, but it is all pre-wired, so it's easy to get something to plug in there and use that with your devices to see what's behind you. So that's another feature that this company's been doing. Nice big patio awning. Your main door is going to be in this area with a grab assist handle, and that'll have those big fold down steps that we probably you guys have seen in videos in the past. A sturdy step. It's very, very stable, and that folds up and out of the way. You can see what it's going to look like going down the road. You have your other step over there. If you have to get in real quick, if you're too close to something, then you can get in through that other door, which is a really nice feature as well too. But you know, Coachman's been around 53 years, Guarantee about 52 years, and I've been here 28. Love my job, love what we do here at Guarantee. It's a great opportunity for those of you that want to see a great inventory. We always stock huge inventories throughout the year, and it's a great opportunity to get some good financing on some of the 18 closeouts and some of the 19s we've had in stock for a while. So if you have any more questions, give me a call at the number at the end of this video. And remember, at Guarantee in Junction City, it's an RV show every day.